Hello and welcome to Statistics for the summer of 2013. I am Lynn Walrath and I will be your instructor for the course. I just want to take this video to show you a couple of important things. I want to show you the syllabus and then I want to show you our online classroom. So coming up here will be our syllabus. There it is. And you'll see that my office hours are by appointment. I do that because I know a lot of people taking online classes are not on campus on a regular basis. I have a Monday-Wednesday class that goes from 12:40 to 2 o'clock. So the best times for me to catch me on campus are before or after that. And so it's real easy to make an appointment before or after that. But I want to be able to accommodate what you need if you need to see me. So appointment is the best way to do that in this situation. So please don't hesitate to email me or send me a message through the campus classroom saying you need to meet. Another option is to have a Skype call where we can discuss things. There are some ways that I can do things where I can show you stuff on the whiteboard if we set things up ahead of time. So any one of those ways for getting in touch with me and for getting some help from me is great. For my contact info, it gives a phone number here. I would not call that phone number if I were you because I'm not in the office very much. And that is just they're gonna fill out one of those pink slips of paper and they're gonna put it in my box, and the next time I come in is when I'll see it. Nobody bothers to email me and tell me that I have a message. So the best way to get in touch with me is by email. I check my email very regularly when I'm teaching an online class. So on weekdays from about 9 in the morning to about 9 at night, you can usually get me pretty quickly by email. I do not check my email after 9 o'clock at night, however. And then if we go along here, you'll see that there's just a lot more information that you need to read through. It's always important that you read through your syllabus. But if we get down here, you'll see that the quizzes, we'll have weekly online quizzes during the quarter, and each quiz will be worth 100 points. Now for your homework, you can use all the resources you have available to you. For your quizzes, you can't. They are closed book, closed note quizzes, but you will have 2 full hours to do them, and they're 10 questions each. And I want you to understand and remember as you're going through and doing your quizzes that I always go through the quizzes after everyone's taken them, and where there are opportunities for me to give partial credit, I do that. So some of the questions there just isn't an opportunity, but some of the questions I can figure out what the top mistakes are, and so know that I'll decide to give half credit if you get this answer instead of this answer because I know how you got that answer. Or rounding errors, I just take off a point or for those, not the full 10 points. So don't worry if you made a rounding error or something silly like that and it's taken off 10 points. Don't worry, I'll always go through and give back those points. We will have a comprehensive final exam. It will be proctored, it will be pencil and paper, and you must come to campus for that. It's from 3 to 5 on Thursday, August 15th. Don't have a room set up for it yet. I will get that information to you as soon as I can. If you cannot make it then, and by cannot, I mean that, there's no way that you can be there, not, oh, it's inconvenient, I'd rather not. Please contact me immediately so we can work out something else for you, okay? I've never had a problem where we couldn't work something out for a student, but you have to contact me in order to do that, okay? Homework, you're going to have regular homework assignments. Every week you'll have a homework assignment, and the way it works is that it'll give you opportunities to redo the homework assignment. You've got unlimited attempts at it, and it'll keep the highest score. I designed that so you will always get full credit on your homework assignments because I want you to use the homework assignments as a learning experience. So if you get something wrong, figure out what you did wrong, try it again. Okay? They're all in Canvas, and the due dates for them are all in the course calendar. You're also going to have 3 problem sets to complete, and you'll do those by hand or using Microsoft Word, and you need to upload the file. either as a PDF file or a Microsoft Word file, and those will each be worth 25 points. And then you're going to have a 50-point project to complete. I don't appreciate late homework. I drop things 5% in points for every 24-hour period they're late. That said, I'm very flexible. So if something major comes up, then you just talk to me and we'll work out if we can, do some late assignments. I don't do that on a regular basis though, because if you get behind in an 8-week quarter in a course like this, it's almost impossible to catch up. So I want to make sure that I'm not allowing people to fall behind. But like I said, I'll be flexible when real things happen. Okay, so just contact me, let me know what's going on, we'll work it out, okay? The rest of this you need to read. So how to get started. The course materials are in the Canvas classroom. We will go there in just a minute to look at it. Okay? And then tips for success, please read those very carefully because I've really worked hard to try to help you figure out how to stay on track during an online course and how to learn best in an online environment. Okay, and then getting help. I want to be very clear about this. Do not contact me for technical support help. Not because I'm mean, but because I won't be helpful to you and you won't get anywhere, and that's not good. So that's not my area of expertise, but we have people on campus who are experts in that. So call them or email them or go in and talk to them. They're great. I'm here for your statistics support. But not only me, there's tutors in the MARC and tutors in the Business Education Center, the BEC, that can help you. So those are great ways to get statistics help. Or forming a study group with other students in this class is a great way to do it. And if you want help by me setting up an online forum for a certain group of students to work together online, please let me know that. I'm happy to do that. Then the last thing I want to show you is this, which is our online classroom. So when you bring it up, it'll be like this, and I break it down by weeks. Week 0 is the week before the classes start. And you'll see that obviously you got this far if you found this video, this introduction video, which I ask you to watch first. I want you to read the netiquette and course communication document. I want you to go to the introduction forum and introduce yourself to the rest of the class. And I want you to take the week 0 quiz. This is my way of checking in to see did you actually read the materials, are you actually ready to start. And once you've gotten full credit on that, the whole rest of the course opens up to you. So this program doesn't scroll, but you can see that the weeks start with what to do week 1. Look at that, print it out. That's your checklist of did you get everything done and what order should they be done in. I really want you to follow the progression of the course as I've set it out because we don't have the classroom environment to kind of keep things moving along correctly. And so this is the way of me saying this goes before this goes before this. So I want you to work through things in the order that they are given. I have a number of videos, and the ones that I recorded have PowerPoints that go with them, so you can print those out and take notes from them. And there's also this big idea and overview document for each week. And that tells you what's going on this week. What is this week all about, and what are the key things I need to know, and what are the learning objectives for that week? So that's another thing that I would print out and highlight things on and kind of keep going with that. And then what you can't see on this because it doesn't scroll, but you can certainly see on your screen when you look down, is that there are homework assignments, discussion assignments, written assignments, which are just kind of a supplement to things, but it's me asking you to articulate in words what's going on with the particular topic that we're studying that week, and the due dates for each. And it's week by week. This is an 8-week quarter, and each week is a pretty intense week of a lot of stuff to learn and a lot of stuff to do. You're going to have to devote a number of hours each day to this class, and I want you to start out by just recognizing that this will take you probably 2 to 3 hours a day in order to complete all the work and get through the whole course this summer successfully. Again, I want to just emphasize that I am here to help you in any way that I can. So if you need questions answered, if you need a little bit of extra help, if you need to see me face to face, if you're having trouble, with the technology, because that does happen sometimes, in the sense of, I'm trying to get into this assignment and it's not letting me in, or I think it's messing up the answers or something like that, contact me. With the rest of the technology side, contact information, comments. But make sure that you're getting the help you need right away when you need it, because if you let it go for a few days, you can get really far behind. So I look forward to the summer with you guys, and let me know how I can help.